This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll draw and modify an apex connection and then connect a post to the underside of the joint. From the main connections menu, click on the apex icon and then zoom into the apex of the center frame, and following the command line prompts, first select the rafter on the left and then on the right, and from the options window double click on apex haunch and press enter to end the command. From the edit dialog, open the reinforcements tab and modify the horizontal length to 458. Then open the bolts tab and modify the top edge distance to read 50. For the remaining bolts, instead of entering a single number, we'll enter 3 different center distances separated by a comma or a space. So type in the following values: 200, 80 and 80. All connections with unequal bolt patterns can be established this way. The starting edge distance, which determines the overall pattern, can be switched by clicking on the button in the middle of the bolt pattern. This will open the bolt pattern settings dialog. From here, deactivate the top left checkbox, switch bolt start position, and the vertical pattern can be seen reversed. Reactivate the checkbox to restore the bolts and then click close. We'll now connect a post to the underside of the joint. Click on the end base plates icon and select the post under the haunch. Double click the connection, tube end plate to plane, then move the cursor to above the top plane and click the left mouse button twice without moving the mouse to select the plane underneath. Then press enter to confirm the plane selection. Finally, press enter to end the command. From the end plate edit dialog, modify the right and left edge distances to read 60 and the top and bottom to read 30. Because the post is square, thus symmetrical, it may be necessary to switch the left and right and top and bottom values. The rotation of the plate depends on the edge of the tube that was selected during the placement. Finally, modify the plate thickness to 10 and press close. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.